Switching BPO partners is one of the highest stake decisions a customer experience leader makes. Not because it's complicated, but because if it goes wrong, you own it. The service disruption, the customer complaints, the conversation with leadership asking, what happened? That's why onboarding isn't just an operational milestone. It's where trust gets either built or broken. Most onboarding failures don't look like failures at first. They look like a partner that moved fast, agents on the floor in weeks, calls being handled, dashboards going green. But then, quietly, quality starts slipping. Escalations climb. Customers feel the difference before the metrics actually do. Because the speed without structure isn't onboarding. It's just a fast start to a slow problem. Here's what a successful BPO onboarding actually requires. First, discovery before deployment. Before a single agent is trained, the right partner maps your customer journey, identifies where friction lives, and aligns on KPIs tied to your actual business outcomes, not just service levels. Second, brand immersion that goes beyond a tech. Your agents need to understand how your brand sounds under pressure. And that's built through calibration sessions, real call reviews, and structured coaching, not a 2-hour module. Third, a phased ramp that protects your customers. The strongest onboarding programs don't go from zero to full volume overnight. They validate performance at every stage with clear milestones and the ability to course correct before scale. And fourth, governance from day one. Shared dashboards, weekly reviews, clear escalation paths. The difference between a partner and a vendor is whether they're accountable to your results, not just their own service levels. Before we put a single guru on the floor, we run structured discovery. We build your playbooks, calibrate your quality frameworks, and define graduation criteria for every training win. We've managed programs that scaled from 50 to over 400 agents across multiple locations, with a 99.3 graduation rate and quality scores above 92% throughout. That's not a coincidence. That's what structure actually looks like. The executives who've made outsourcing transitions successfully share one thing in common. They didn't just choose the right partner. They chose a partner who knew how to start right. If that's the standard you're holding your next partnership to, let's talk. That's exactly where we begin.